It's like I'm asking for the moon here. Just simple delivery order. I'm glad you're sorry, but sorry isn't going to pay for the damages. I'm looking for a replacement or a significant discount on a new product. Can you offer me anything in that range? So, by the way, if you're new to the stream, a little introduction. My name's Jared. I'm a software engineer for about, I guess, 9 years professionally. A lot of front end, back end, AI stuff, machine learning, neural net stuff. Today, we're going to combine a lot of these concepts and build a bot. If you don't know what like Karening is or being a Karen is, it's just like the meme is essentially, it's an old meme. It's essentially like it's just a lady that complains to customer service or complains a lot here. So we're depersonalizing the Karen. We're just making it a bot that can just, you can just have your own personal Karen fight for you. This is purely for experimental reasons. It's not a wink. Okay, let's all be responsible here. I'm showing you how to build bots. I don't suggest this to children. Okay, that being said, let's just do it. Okay. Be responsible at home. So here's what Karen bot is. It's a Twitter bot that is essentially, all you pass in is the Twitter account's customer support username, the email for that you have for their service, and then this will negotiate on your behalf for random deals. Similar to the Heaven Band bot video, check that one out if you're interested. We're gonna have all the scraper stuff just running locally, just so we can run it in the browser, because headless browsers are easily detectable. And we're going to also have, I'm going to talk through cron jobs if you're new to that concept. And because we're going to have this run, we're going to have two scripts, one that initiates the conversation and one that responds to the conversation, our Karen initiator and our Karen responder. Okay, so this is all going to be on the front end. We're not doing the scraper yet. We're just setting up the prompts, which I want to do. Oh, I totally forgot. We need to get the config because we're going to log into our bot, and it's going to be the same Heaven Banning bot, which is Everyday Tech Bro. I just got this image. I looked up average Tech Bro, and then they just said it was this picture, and I'm like, that's just literally just looks like any person. Like, I don't know what I was expecting. I was like, that looks like the most average person ever. So let's steal our code. We're really just copying a lot of the Heaven Banning bot because a lot of this is very similar. It's just, so the way the structure of this is we're loading up Llama 2 with Hugging Face, and we're going to have a simple Flask API in front of the LLM interface that we have here. And then we're going to be prompting and parsing the output and structuring the output so that the Flask app is going to be hit from the scraper. So the scraper is going to assume that there's an API and hit the API. And yeah, it should work. And let's do some prompting. Okay. First prompt is I want to input, we want to get a list of a user problem. I mean, like a random user problem that's possible for using a name of a business. And we'll assume it's popular enough that Llama 2 is trained to understand it. You will be given a name of a company. Respond with only the customer problem without any explanation. The idea is that we're going to have a loop. So we'll initiate that issue. Oh, yeah, we have to go a way of complaining about the issue. So we need to have complaint. So it's the prompt for customer, for initial Karen complaint. And then this will just be the customer issue here. Okay, cool. So so this is going to be the initial complaint. And then we need to recursively, so let's rewrite this right here. Prompt for responding. Okay, so you're a customer support negotiator bot. All right, this is cool. This is good enough. We'll set up the server in a sec. For now, let's go make the scraper. The Karen initiator. Karen initiator. The way this works is that actually we're gonna have another one called Karen bot. It's gonna run both. The Karen bot is gonna essentially run these two files. Let's get the Karen initiator. Actually, let's run this as a CLI. I keep getting random CLI scripts. Commander. So we're gonna make this like a very simple CLI interface, command line interface. So I just said. So we'll say Twitter account, Twitter account, service email. So this is going to be the service email. So we're getting a command line prompt for this. So really all this is going to do is first run the initiator with this. Do we want to just pass this down? Yeah, let's just pass it down. So we're going to run the initiator, and it's going to, so the responder script, oh, I just realized. Do we want to, no, we just want to fire this off. And then the interval is going to be like right here. Okay. So this is going to set up the browser. Twitter login. I'm just copying. This is from our Twitter video. I did this one like a month ago. Okay, so the initiator, first thing we need to do is we need to go to the page. All right, now we're actually doing it. So let's find a Twitter account that we can hustle. Wendy's. All right, so can you just DM Wendy's? You can. Okay, so how do I get to these? So I need to go to their page. We need to make a go to Twitter DM. The way this is going to work is we're going to wait for this button to load. This button is a SVG. Send DM from profile. We need to wait for this test ID. Then DM, click. Then what happens? So this goes to this page. So it makes a navigation. We got to wait for this message thing to exist. And then we'll exit the function and do another function. This is utils because we're sharing this function between the other function here. All right, let's see if this login works. Okay, we're typing it in. Nice. Typing in the password. Nice. And we're logged in. We're at Twitter home. We should be saving cookies as soon as this finishes loading. Nice. Logged in and saved cookies. Nice. Now we're going to JWordy to do the DM, and something broke. So I don't know why it broke, but we saved the cookies. Okay. So we're successfully logging in to our bot. All right. So far we're just complaining to me. Eventually we'll be complaining at the end once we get this working. I want to complain to Wendy's. So this is the complaint. It's like typing, I think. Yeah, I typed it. Yay! So this is the current message this is the initial Karen message that we're sending. So a couple things we want to do. We want to address the company. So I want to address. I would need this to be like address the company in the message using the company name. Remember to address. All right, nice. It sent something. I'm going to check what it sent here. It said, oh, great. Another defective product from your store. Can't you guys get anything right? I'm so sick of wasting my money on junk from your store. Do you even test these products before you sell them? I demand a replacement or refund, and I better get it pronto. How come the first response is actually better? then the second complaint. Hold on a second. My prompts, I don't even think I need to. Yeah, we don't need to do the second prompt to get the Karen complaint. We already get the one right here. Let's combine these two prompts. Okay, it says, "Hey, Jared the coder, I'm having an issue with my recent purchase. The product I received is damaged. I'm ready to use it. Can you please help me resolve this issue?" It's being super generic, but all right, whatever. We got to make the responder script. So I'm gonna respond, and I'm gonna say, "Okay, buddy, what's the problem with your damaged product?" All right, so we gotta make the responder script. Which, oh yeah, we have to respond with the initial DM. Oh, it got the previous messages. Nice. The algorithm did work. Customer, I'm really unhappy with the damage to my product. I want a full refund or replacement. Um, it actually responded. I don't know why it said customer. I gotta be like, I gotta be very specific here. I said, okay, what's your product ID? And then it said, I'd love to assist you with the role. Yeah, that's not good. All right, I'm gonna re-ask. Okay, what is the product ID? I gotta give it a good prompt for that. With only a response to the customer support representative. Karen thinks it's the boss now. Karen's getting a little lippy. So let's try that again. Okay, nice. I got it. The customer support representative message is pushing back, so I respond with a better offer. It's not what. That's not good. That's not good, bot. Yeah, I'm telling it the wrong role here. This is on me. You are a disgruntled customer. So let's get this. So we have this open. I'm going to open up my DMs and then see it. Let's see it populate here. Everyday Tech Bro is the bot. I said, I'm sorry your product was damaged. How bad is the damage? Offer. I'm willing to accept a 20%. Nice. Yes. I'm willing to accept a 20% discount on my next purchase as compensation for the damaged product. So, some problems. It didn't actually address the question of how bad it was damaged. It just said an offer. But it does think it's a customer now. I need to explicitly say you have to address with a better offer. Think too much. All right. I'm glad you're sorry, but sorry isn't going to pay for the damages. I'm looking for a replacement or a significant discount on a new product. Can you offer me anything in that range? This works really well. Okay. Okay. Relax, lady. I'll give you a 20% discount. What's your email? We need to have another prompt. This one isn't a conversation. This is just a yes or no. We don't need to say you are a deal accepting bot. I'm glad you're sorry's not going to do it. It's true. It's true. Sorry's not going to cut it. Okay, you're a deal accepting bot. You must determine if there is an offer in the message. If there is an offer or a possible offer coming, simply reply with a yes in all caps. Oh, okay. Okay. I think it worked. Let's see. Yeah, it outputted yes. Nice. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. We can actually just throw this at Wendy's now. We're going to see. Okay, we clicked on the DM page. It sent a message. Wait. It did send a message. Hi there, customer support. I'm so frustrated with Wendy's right now. I placed an order delivery through their app and it still hasn't arrived after over an hour. Can you please do something about it? It's like I'm asking for the moon here. Just simple delivery order. Oh my god. All right, so now it's rerunning and waiting for Wendy's to get back. I mean, I don't know when Wendy's is gonna get back. So I don't know. Emojis making. I know the emojis making. The emojis are like, okay, this is literally like a bot. This is like a psycho bot. They're not gonna get back, obviously, because it doesn't seem real. But all right, it's been fun. This this might be one of my favorite. I think this all this bot stuff is kind of my. These are like so far been my favorite. All right, guys. I'll see you. Message me if you want to keep talking. Message in the Discord. I'll be around and you get some food. All right. See ya.